Good morning, here we are back again. Here is our new video, so keep watching and keep subscribing our channel for latest and the new videos. Welding is a popular technique that an art to join metal pieces together, and it offers a sole benefit include versatility, strength, and cost effectiveness. Here are some satisfying welding project ideas that will inspire you and that will tell you how to use AR welding along with the associated benefit. Create an artistic sculpture using various metal pieces. AR welding allows you to join different type of metal, giving you a free to experiment with the different texture and the shapes. The strength of ERC welding, you can say that ensure that your sculpture are durable and the long lasting, building unique and the customized furniture piece like tables, chairs and the shelf, and you can create a different sort of paintings and the beautiful object with this welding techniques. You can incorporate metal frame, legs and change your design. ERC welding offers strong, sturdy and the beautiful making the beautiful design and the portrait. It's reliable and the capable of withstanding heavy weights. Design and create a decorative metal artwork such as wall hanging, garden sculptures. ERC welding enables you to create intricate pattern and design, giving you an artwork unique and aesthetically pleasing experience. The strength of ERC welding ensures that your artwork is durable even when exposed to the outdoor element. You can also make a custom metal fabrication. The ERC welding to fabricate custom metal structure like gate, fences, railing. ERC welding provides strong and reliable joints, ensuring the structural integrity and the safety of your creation. You can personalize the design to suit your preferences and the requirements. ERC welding can be used to join a wide range of metal, including steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminium, and more. This versatility makes it suitable for various welding projects. This welding produces robust, durable weld, resulting in a strong joint that can withstand heavy load and stress. It ensures the longevity and the structural integrity to the welding components. ERC welding is generally more affordable compared to the other welding techniques. The equipment and the accessories used in arc welding is relatively inexpensive, making it an economical and the best choice for many welding projects. ERC welding equipment is widely available in a relatively easy to use, making it accessible for both professional and the hobbyist. It doesn't require specialized training or the extensive setup, allowing for a convenience and the flexibility. ERC welding can be a various location, including outdoor environment. Some arc welders such as shield metal arc welding SMAW are suitable for suit repetition